141,600,000 miles from the Sun and 140 million miles from Earth lies the planet Mars. Ancient Romans named the planet after Mars, the god of war, because the red color reminded them of blood. The orbital period on Mars is about 687 days. The rotational period is about 1 day and 40 minutes. The gravity on Mars is 3.711 meters per second, which is much lower than the gravity on Earth. The average temperature on Mars is about -70 degrees, much colder than the temperatures on Earth. The polar diameter of Mars is about 4,220 miles, and the equilateral diameter is about 4,212 miles. The mass of Mars is about 10 times less than the mass of Earth, and the surface area of Mars is only about 28% of the surface area of Earth. Although this model is not drawn to scale, you can see that Mars, being the second smallest planet in our solar system, is much smaller than Earth. Mars has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. The atmosphere on Mars is 100 times thinner than Earth's atmosphere. It's comprised of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, argon, oxygen, carbon monoxide, water, and other tiny particles. Now let's journey into Mars's surface. Mars has a red color due to the iron-rich rocks that cover its surface. The core of Mars, which is mostly solid, is rich in iron and sulfur, and the mantle is rich in iron and magnesium. Due to the mostly solid core, Mars does not have a magnetic field, but it might have had one a long time ago when the core was still hot and liquid. The surface is rocky and has an orange and red color. The powdery consistency of its surface often causes dust storms that can engulf the whole planet in a matter of days. Is there in fact life on Mars? Many scientists have decided that there is not life on Mars due to the lack of water on its surface, which is vital for organisms to grow. But there is support that there was once water on Mars' surface, with signs of old riverbeds. And with water often comes life. Recently we have found fossils of microbes, which are small organisms. Also, there has been methane recorded, and methane is a chemical that often comes from organisms such as microbes. Although there is support, the probability of life on Mars is not very likely. There have been many missions to Mars, including the Viking missions 1 and 2 in 1975. These missions collected rock and soil samples. Another famous mission is that of the Curiosity. At the moment, Curiosity is searching for microbes on Mars. Maven Orbiter recently lifted off in 2014. These missions use probes and orbiters to collect photos and data. One mission discovered Olympus Mons, a shield volcano on Mars that is 374 miles wide and 16 miles high. Most of Mars is still a mystery, and it's our job to unlock its secrets. Who's in the best of the show? Who's the